Wet market.
Fish boneless, sir. Boneless. Boneless bangus. Spicy.
Good. Masarap.
That one is, yeah, masarap. Do you know how to speak Tagalog, sir?
Konti. Konti lang.
Where you came from, sir?
Kayo say.
I say.
Hello.
Delhi.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello. Thank you.
Hindi pa. Vamos. Nirindi na ng pangyan. May fish ka mo. Thank you. $170 ba? Pakaliskis nga, Tess? Pakaliskis lang? Hello.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Go.
Say hi.
Thank you. Say hi.
Ano ba yan?
Ate, magkano po dito? Yun na lang. Dito po. Ito man. Lobster, sir.
Dito tayo, magkano dyan?
Granat mo na lang. Granat. Ito na lang. Ito po. Meron na po.
Ay, ito na. Yan po, 200 sa kilo.
Hi, sir.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Thank you. Hello.
Hello, sir. Yung ba na yan may tanggigi, sir?
No, I don't eat this stuff.
Sir?
Because you are maganda. Too.
Sir?
Because you are maganda.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bangus na lang, bangus. Lalapin na lang yan.
Hello. This is my channel, YouTube channel. Subscribe. Remember me. Yeah. My channel.
Ay, your channel?
YouTube.
You're a blogger?
Yes, YouTube channel.
Wow.
Two sisters.
You buy tanggigi, sir? Why?
Because I'm vlogging, not eating.
Oh, really?
Really. Here will be my profile. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, Fernando. How are you going? Fresh.
Yes, very fresh. That is money. 700.
Very fresh. We are in the 40s. We are nothing. We're looking fine here. Well, I'm also maganda din. Thank you. Yes. Cool. Beautiful eyes. I'm vlogging. Hello. Oh. Thank you.
Saan ka na take a picture to you? Oy, ano yung vlogger?
Thank you.
Sponsor. Asyang matagal pa ba yon?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
No, not clear.
Not clear, sir.
Yeah.
Oh. Andito sa dalat kami
Ano?
over.
I'm over here.
Vlog. Oy, oy.
Good.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Di mo siya kilala, pare? Vlogger
Thank you.
siya.
Thank you. Hello.
Dapat
Subscribe. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Good afternoon. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Hello, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good evening.